Hi, I'm Yasmin, one of the skin and laser specialists here in Havana, Dundrum, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about the difference between the Dermaroller and the Dermapen. So the difference between both of them would be the Dermaroller is the one that we would use from home. So the Dermaroller works best on the epidermis, which is the surface level of the skin itself. So it's not too deep, but it's a good maintenance kind of home device in between the course of your microneedling itself. Then the other device we're going to be speaking about is the Dermapen. So the Dermapen is what we use in clinic, and it can go a little bit deeper underneath the skin where the dermis is. It's going to have a controlled injury like the home roller as well. It's going to go a little bit deeper, create a little bit more deeper microchannels and pushing our serums of our choice deep underneath the skin. With this one, it's as I said, it's in clinic. So there is a needle that goes in, very tiny, you can't even see them in the packet. They insert into the machine itself, and each needle pack is completely sealed. So as you can see there, it's fresh needles for absolutely everybody, which is very important. So please do your research if you do go elsewhere that it's not reusable needles. It is completely fresh, and make sure that you do look and that they do show you that the packet is closed. So the needles go into the pen itself. So with the needling in clinic, we can go all different depths. So the pen itself will go to 0.5, which we would normally use on the forehead, and then we would move up between 1.5 to the rest of the face. It can go up to 2.5. We would only kind of use those depths if it was body areas, such as for scarring or stretch marks. Would be very, very rare. We'd never really use it on the face at all. With the home device, it only has a 0.5. We would recommend a serum such as Hyaluronic or lightning serum, which is a popular one in Havana. So lightning serum suppresses your melanocytes, so it's going to help with pigmentation and prevent it from coming up in the future or slow it down. And then your Hyaluronic, which I actually have on the trolley, which is this one here. Your Hyaluronic is a filler, so it's not like Botox or anything at all. It just gives that boost of hydration underneath the skin, and then it will kind of fill out our fine lines and wrinkles, but very naturally. There's no Botox, no fillers whatsoever, so it's completely good. Between the home roller and the Dermapen, the part I like about it is it's naturally stimulating your collagen and your elastin. So as I said, it's not injecting any Botox or injecting any filler. It's all done naturally, so it's stimulating. So it's what we have. So I'm just going to show you a little bit more of the home roller because I really like it. So with the home roller, the benefits of using it would be for acne scarring. Scarring normally say from surgery. It could be from stretch marks, open pores, blocked pores, maintaining your skin, fine lines, wrinkles. It also gets rid of pigmentation, especially if you're using the lightning serum that I spoke about previously. And it also stimulates your collagen and elastin completely naturally. So it's only stimulating what we already have. So that's my favorite part of the roller itself. So the difference between the Dermaroller and the Dermapen is quite similar. There's not many differences, to be honest with you. The Dermaroller is good for a home. It has a depth of 0.5, so it's only working kind of on the epidermis, so just the surface of the skin. And then the microneedling in clinic use would be a lot deeper, so it can go up to 2.5, which is quite strong or deep for the body, but we can go up to 1.5 for the face. So with the pen, we can go from 0.5, which is exactly the same as the home roller, and it can go up to 2.5, but on the face we would generally only go up to 1.5, and then 2 and 2.5 would be for the body. So this device here is our very own Image ADS Premium Dermaroller. If you'd like to avail of your own, just follow the link below, and you can also grab it for a 60% off. If you'd like to also try the Dermapen, you can get in contact with us with our number on the website, or if you'd like to fill out your contact details in the contact form, we'd be more than happy to get in contact with you, and we can give you the best advice and book you in for a free skin consultation with one of our skin experts here in Havana.